Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. So Leanne to be she's in line for 6 now. Man, it's just warms my heart. This is going to keep this channel going, y'all. So she bought 6 coffees for 6 songs, and we're going to get started. So the first one is, she says, "Hey Mike, a few golden oldies from back in the day. The two below are from the DELLTONES, formed in 1958, and they had many different band members along the way. But the mainstay was Ian Pee Wee Wilson, the tall bass singer. He is the only one still with us, and he's aged 85 years old. They had an on and off 60-year run. This song, Hangin' 5, from 1963. Wow. All right, man. And obviously you guys know I drive an old pickup truck, so I love oldies music as well, if you couldn't tell. But so the DELLTONES is who we're going to listen to. All right, let's get into the intro and right into the video.
It's early in the morning and it's time to make a start, and I put my poly surfboard on the rack upon my car. I head down to the surfside where the waves are breaking fine. I'm gonna catch a mountain, but I won't go down the mine. You gotta walk the plank, ride the hook, corner left and right, and keep it nice and tight. And now the time is drawing near, you're moving down the wall. Now steady as she goes, you got your toes upon the nose, and now you're hanging five, hanging five, hanging five toes upon the Malibu. And now you've hit the beach and you're feeling mighty fine. You turn your boat around for the second time. You make it out the back, the swells are coming fast. The first ones are too small and so you take the last. You gotta walk the plank, ride the hook, corner left and right, and keep it nice and tight. And now the time is drawing near, you're moving down the wall. Now steady as she goes, you got your toes up on the nose, and now you're hanging by, hanging by, hanging by toes upon the Malibu.
All right, man. I love it. It's like a surfing song, or it is a surfing song, I should say. Hangin' 5. So they've whoever posted this posted it 11 months ago, and they got 110 views. So I hope it does better on my channel to bring more people awareness to the DELLTONES, because they are pretty bitchin'. And Hangin' 5, man. Yeah, I used to. I told you all, my dad was a Marine as well, before me. And, we were stationed with him in Camp Pendleton, California, when I was up to about 13 years old. So it was right on the beach of Santa Onofre and Oceanside, because we lived in Vista, California. And it was a big surfing scene, and we all had t-shirts that said Hang 10 on them, and it had a picture of 2 feet, kind of space like this, and it and that also meant it was a shirt brand, just a kind of surfer brand, and they used to hang their toes over the edge of the surfboard, and they call it Hangin' 10. So I think that's what they're talking about here of Hangin' 5. I could be wrong, but it's pretty bitchin' no matter what.
Let's stop.
Yeah, there you go.
And when the day is over and all the circuits meet, you go down to the surf club to dance and stomp and beat. And when the night is through, you hear the fellas say, don't forget tomorrow, you got another day. You gotta walk the plank, ride the hook, corner left and right, and keep it nice and tight. And now the time is drawing near, you're moving down the wall. Now steady as she goes, you got your toes up on the nose, and now you're hanging by, hanging by, hanging by toes up on the Malibu, up on the Malibu.
You gotta walk the plank, man. Get your toes right up on that nose, Sarah Joe. And don't forget forget, Frank. What's that bushy blonde?
Great music, man. I wish we had more of this music just coming out, but probably wouldn't sell, you know. Everybody's into other things than this just cool, fun stuff. So the Deltones were an Australian rock and roll band which formed in 1958. They started as a doo-wop harmony quartet with Warren Lucas, the tenor, Brian Perkins, Noel Windenberg, and Ian Pee Wee Wilson on the bass vocals, where we just saw him laughing or smiling at us anyway. In July 1962, Wilderberg died in a car accident in Brighton Sands in Sydney. And 3 weeks later, the group's single, Get a Little Dirt on Your Hands, reached the top 5 on the local charts. Wilderberg's position was filled by Cole Lonin. God, I'm sorry, man. And he used to be with the Crescents. The group disbanded in 1973. And I think they did some more after that, you know, according to Leanne DeBee. So, yeah, man, and to tell you the truth, I grew up there. Well, I say I grew up, but I was there till I was 13 and never once set a foot on the surfboard. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I was scared. I can't remember, but, you know, I think about all the times that I lived in Oklahoma. I was thinking about, man, I should have learned how to surf. And then the ironic thing is when I turned 18, I joined the Marine Corps. And lo and behold, they sent me right back out to Southern California, and I stayed there for the next 9 years before I was got orders to Dallas, Texas, and I've been here ever since. But that culture had died in the early 70s anyway. So when I got back out there it was probably 78, late 78, and then the summer of 79 when it just wasn't the same as it was in, you know, 73. But, you know, that's the way it all goes. And these guys are the epitome of that. And I mentioned that they're, what it said, a week after or 3 weeks later after Wilderberg died, this song, Get a Little Dirt on Your Hands, reached the top 5 on the local charts there in Australia. That's the next song that Leanne DeBee wants me to react to. So just look for the next one, guys. That's going to do it for me. Thanks, everybody, for showing up. Till I see y'all again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.